Monthly Param Nivedan for 2025 whole year to be successful with the power and grace of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paprava 1 to 8. Paramam Sharanam Gacchami, Hansam Sharanam Gacchami, Advaitam Sharanam Gacchami, Anandam Sharanam Gacchami, Charanam Sharanam Gacchami. हे परम जी, मुझ पर कृपा करो। सिर झुकाकर परम जी को नमस्कार करता हूँ। पप्रवा 9. परम जी, please empower this Param Nivedan with your divine power so that 2025 becomes beneficial for me and P3Y. Param ji, with your divine grace, 2024 went well for me. Thank your holiness, Param ji. Bestow me more success in my business, profession, agriculture, animal husbandry, job and work this year. I wish to make my country prosperous. Bless me so that my income increases and expenses decrease. I will use the money in righteous way and also to spread P3Y. Make me free of all my debts. Even when I become wealthier, progress in business, I am and will remain humble before Paramji and Dr. Ajit and will also spare some time for P3Y. May chartered accountants etc. remain in my favor. I will attend Income Enhancement P3Y class on Thursday. I will tell people there will be a healing power session during the Income Enhancement P3Y class in which you will get relief from any sickness. May my development in material aspects of life becomes faster. I achieve all my goals and my hampered work gets through quickly. May all the wishes I ask in Papr and the Papr I make others to do during this year gets fulfilled. Bestow me with fame and recognition. I wish to become an excellent P3Y Pracharak and will find the devotees of Paramji. I will keep offering P3Y calendar and good luck Papra cards GLPC to every house in my area for 1 to 10 hours in a week under Mission P3Y calendar. I will report to Dr. Ajit about my P3Y Prachar work on every Wednesday and on the last Wednesday of the month. I will tell farmers that with the help of P3Y Shakti, there will be good harvest. Quality and production of milk in the cattle would increase. Profit will increase. Give me courage to spread P3Y in unknown people. Give me strength and valor so that I can protect P3Y and keep the thieves and scoundrels away from P3Y class. I am an honest, obedient, brave P3Y Karta and will strive to make others as well. May my body and mind remain healthy in this month, January, winter season. Increase my immunity power. May I don't have cough, cold, malaria, dengue, etc. If I become sick, may I be cured with proper water. I will attend disease prevention P3Y class on the last Sunday of the month. Make my mind and intellect pleasant for me and P3Y. I will do Param Yoga daily, 3 times routine Param Yoga and 3 or more times special Param Yoga. Give me good intellect. May I make quick and correct decisions and get more success. Please help me to remove the weaknesses of my mind. May I get divine experiences in Param Dhyan, the divine meditation. May I be granted with more power, energy and enthusiasm. May I accomplish more efficiency in all the work that I do. May I do P3Y public work for the betterment of the society. I will attend P3Y International Club Meeting, Paramji Vachan Discourse, and Paramji Dhyan class on Friday. Give intelligence and strength to do logical prachar of P3Y in 2025. I will inform people that keep following your God and religion, but P3Y power will accomplish any stuck work. You will get relief in illness and income will increase. I will attend daily and weekly online P3Y class on P3Y THF channel or other branch channels. I will offer Good Luck Papra card, will teach Papra Param Yog to people in distress in my country as well as abroad. I will keep telling the three Mahasutra, the great slogans of P3Y. First, the truth. P3Y Shakti fulfills desires. There is no place in the world where P3Y doesn't work. Second, eligible persons should be honest, obedient and brave. Remain smiling and make others smiling. Keep attending P3Y class. Keep coming to Umargam. And third, Jai Ghosh. Bina prachar nahi uddhar. Without propagation, no salvation. May my family members be more blissful, peaceful and caring toward each other. May I not get angry unnecessarily. May my children flourish and progress. May they get good guidance and good company. Increase their memory for studies. I will tell the students preparing for board exams and competitive exams that you will get more success by doing P3Y, will get good marks in exams. Give me good intellect so that I impart good values, teach the truth and give 16 P3Y sanskar to my children. Prarthana Gajjar family conducted P3Y Chhathi Vidhi and Namkaran sanskar. Bangale family conducted P3Y Mundan sanskar for their son. I will make the children recite clever student Param Nivedan and will encourage them to take Param Vidya Mantra Diksha. To increase prosperity in our family, I will take Param Lakshmi Mantra Diksha. I will read P3Y Garbh Gita. I will tell people, if you take Param Mantra as per Param Mantra Diksha Vidhi on the first Saturday of the month over Google Meet at 9 a.m., your desires will get fulfilled faster. Bring peace upon my ancestors. Remove all Pitri Dosh, Vastu Dosh and other related problems. Protect me and my family from hurdles such as all kind of negative energies, adverse planetary effects, harmful accompaniment, financial crisis, accidents, fire, earthquake, storm, flood, extreme cold, other natural calamities, negative thoughts, etc. May I do not face critical situations. If I face any, may I be able to overcome with P3Y power. True P3Y power seeker, hardcore P3Y Karta will continue to do this holy pilgrimage of Umargam as per the Adesh of Paramji alias His Holiness in PDME literature. With the holy pilgrimage of Umargam, Pitri Dosh is removed, ancestors will get peace. Paramji has empowered Umargam as PDME place, Kumbh place. If you do the Umargam PDME pilgrimage after doing other pilgrimage or after taking bath in Prayagraj Kumbh, this Umargam PDME pilgrimage will be more successful. After the Umargam PDME pilgrimage, Pitri Shanti class and disease prevention P3Y class 2025 January 26 Sunday 9:30 am. There will be healing power vidhi. Inform all sick people. Whoever comes will be benefited. I will do online RSVP for coming to Umargam P3Y Center and will inform on mobile number +91 88 49969887. I will lovingly celebrate all P3Y festival classes mentioned in the P3Y calendar. I will attend P3Y Branch Center Establishment Day, Althan Road and Katargram, and Student P3Y class January 5, Bike Rally January 11, Paramji Julus January 12, Masik Shivratri January 27, Amawas Rukavat Nivaran class January 29. I will attend the Makar Sankranti P3Y festival January 14, Tuesday 1 p.m. at Jahangirpura SMC Community Hall. If possible, I will also become the host of this big class. I offer my destiny of 2025 in the holy feet of Paramji alias His Holiness. Paramji, please make my destiny better. I will share this annual Param Nivedan in 2 or more persons, will do good work, will serve P3Y Kartas, have respect for them, and will have pleasant behavior towards all in this year. I will keep the P3Y center clean. I will obey Paramji Adesh. Make me more happy, prosperous, peaceful, healthy, disease-free, blissful, powerful, humble, and brave than I am at present. May I have better 2025 whole year and this January month with P3Y Shakti. If any serious problem occurs, I will contact Dr. Ajit on mobile number +91 9898 772036 and will follow the advice of Dr. Ajit. Paparwa 10. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will give money in whichever currency you earn, decide the amount on your own, to Paramji alias His Holiness, or will offer 1 liter water or 1 flower to Paramji alias His Holiness. Paparwa 11. As soon as my desire is fulfilled, as Pakar, I will offer P3Y Good Luck Papar card to 1 new person. I will attend 1 online P3Y class. I will visit P3Y website p3ythf.com. I will send 1 to 2 minute video or audio about my miraculous P3Y experience through WhatsApp. I will order the second year 5th edition Good Career with P3Y Power Hindi or Gujarati of P3Y Param Gyan magazine at my home. I will take annual membership of this magazine. I offer this annual Param Nivedan and its fruit to Paramji alias His Holiness.